Let's explore how to plan longer routes in Google Maps more effectively and overcome some of its limitations with the help of Google Maps Extended Routes browser extension. Besides adding destinations one by one in Google Maps, you can adjust your route by dragging it on the map. This creates a special waypoint that does not appear in the destinations list. However, there are two issues with waypoints. They are removed if you change any settings. They're not supported in the mobile app and will be lost when you open the route. We can solve these problems by converting waypoints to regular destinations. When a waypoint is created, the extension indicates that. Here it's shown that there is a waypoint between the first and the second destinations. Clicking the green button converts it into a regular destination. Now the route works in the mobile app without issue. Let's tackle the 10 destinations limit problem next. Once you add 10 stops, Google Maps will not allow you to add more. The extension suggests temporarily hiding extra starting destinations, and you can change the number of the destinations you want to hide or stash. After stashing them, you can add more destinations as usual. Unstash the hidden stops to create a complete route. If it seems too complicated, try the latest feature that offers a native experience. Simply keep adding new stops using the Add Destination button below the destinations list or the corresponding option in the menu that appears when you right-click on the map. In the extension settings, you can set up these actions to be performed automatically whenever possible. Additionally, you can activate a handy shortcut for turning Google Street View images on and off while editing a route. Let's look at the features hidden in the extension menu. Using the Optimize menu item, you can reorder destinations while keeping the start and end points for a shorter route and save your fuel and money. Another handy tool is route splitting. If a route becomes too long and you decide to take a break in the middle, you can split it into two by clicking the Split menu item. Next, select the splitting point from the destinations list. As you can see, two routes are created in separate tabs. The first one ends at the splitting point, and the other starts at the same point. Basically, the append feature allows you to do the opposite, add new points or even route segments to an existing route. For example, the first route is in New York City, and the second is in Philadelphia, and you want to join them into one. First, copy the second route URL. Then, go to the page with the first route and paste it from the clipboard or use the append menu item. All the destinations from the second route will be appended to the first route. You can also append a single place to a route in the same way. For instance, I copy the URL of Cleveland and paste it on the page with the existing route. As you can see, it has been added to the end of the route. Another modification you can apply to a route is to reverse it. Google Maps allows this only for routes with two stops, but by clicking the reverse menu item, you can change the direction of any route. The extension offers multiple export options available under the Export menu item. Download a GPX or KML file if you want to import the exact track to a GPS device or another application. You can also copy an Apple Maps URL and send it to your iPhone. Motorbikers and track drivers may find the TomTom Planner export option useful, as TomTom provides a variety of advanced routing options. To install Google Maps Extended Routes, visit the homepage. The link is below the video, or find it directly on a store. Don't forget to refresh the Google Maps page after installation. Wishing you easy planning and safe trips.